Let's pack lunch for my picky eating first grader.
Hi everyone, good morning.
Today we have a situation where we basically have incomplete ingredients for a complete meal. So I decided that I'm just going to throw something together and hopefully Cassidy likes it. I'll definitely let her try it before I pack it. But basically we're just going to use some tortilla, some shaved chicken breast, as well as the sliced corned beef that she liked from the other day. And basically just make some wrap wheels or tortilla wheels, whatever it would be called. Whatever you think it could be called. Let's get into it. Tortilla, shaved chicken breast, sliced corned beef, sliced cheese. Cheese? Pass me one more cheese.
I think I want 2 cheese and a different
The corned beef. Let's pop this in the microwave for a few seconds. We're gonna use this smelly crinkle cutter to slice it up.
That looks so yummy. Mike, can I take a bite?
Yeah, you're gonna try it.
Yum, 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 yum.
Here.
Thank you so much.
Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
I love it.
Okay. You have that one. How many do you think you want this in? Like 4 or 3?
4. Rosie wants a piece too. Since I love them, can I put them in? Woohoo! We're using that the food home, but just not forever. My tummy's there home.
You're sick. You are something.
Because I will eat it. That's how it will leave my stomach.
Okay.
I'm gonna take it in my Melly snack box. It looks so fat. Here. Wow. actually over here. Like cookies back, right? Kind of like jam cookies. But I need jam cookies. Can I have the 2 yogurts?
Okay.
Yay. And I'm also going to have 2 yogurts.
Okay, put them here. Some days you have so many snacks and some days you don't. Yesterday you had like 1 snack. Oh boy. That's it? For fruits and snacks, she's having strawberries, grapes, s'mores cluster, again.
Egg cluster.
Biscoff is back in rotation. And leftover popcorn from last night's movie that you fell asleep through. She didn't even watch the movie because she fell asleep, you silly duck.
But I did watch the first parts. I just watched the end. But I
Okay,
did,
here.
But I did hear when she broke her leg.
We're gonna use this smelly snack box.
Yes, it is so cool. I'm gonna pack them. This is what this Swiss cluster looks like. Okay. 2 biscuits. Now the popcorn. I love popcorn. Like, can you add a little cheese in the popcorn? Huh?
You don't have cheese.
No, I mean the baby bow cheese. Oh, wrong one. Oh no. Maybe 1 more scoop of popcorn. Oh no. I think a little bit more will be enough. Why do I like a lot of popcorn all the time? There, I packed everything. Now this goes to top.
Somebody said we could add juice to your water for you to be able to drink it.
Juice to our water. That will be good.
You think so?
Mhm.
So do you want to have chocolate milk and then pineapple juice in your water?
Pineapple juice in my water? Yeah.
Okay. Don't knock it till you try it.
Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. A chocolate milk. A chocolate milk. A chocolate. I have.
So are we doing half juice, half water, or what?
I think half juice and half water.
Water. You want to come try it? Leave her there. Here.
Make sure to shake it
Come.
first. I'm so excited. It tastes like lemonade.
So you're gonna drink it? All of it? Okay.
Mommy, maybe tomorrow we should try yogurt in there.
Oh, hell no.
Why?
Who do you see putting yogurt in? Tortilla wheels? Snacks?
What is she?
2 yogurt.
Maybe chocolate milk?
Chocolate milk.
Water.
Wet ones?
What are you going
And that's everything we packed for my picky eating first grader. Happy Wednesday!